How to download BeamNG.Drive on PC. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to purchase yourself your BeamNG, launch your Steam on your PC. Scroll up until you see the search bar at the top of the dashboard. Search for BeamNG.Drive and click on it. As you can see, it is currently $8.49. That is pretty affordable, don't you think? Now in here to purchase and move forward with the download, tap on Add to Cart. Select on View My Cart option. Clear any pending purchase and select on your BeamNG.Drive. Tap on Continue with Payment. Select your payment method. In the case of debit or credit card, enter your card number, expiration date and the security code, along with the billing information. Once you are done filling out this form, tap on the Continue button. And that is how you'll be able to get yourself your BeamNG Drive. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.